Welcome back to another installment on functions and linear equations. Let's get started. The first three problems are based off of the same graphical representation. So I've shown the same representation on the consecutive slides. So let's do the first problem. The first problem asks you, which of the following is the equation of the line in point slope form? There's actually a pretty easy formula for writing the point slope form, and that is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay, you could call it y2 or y, it didn't matter, but generically this is how it's written, right? So if you can figure out the slope and pick one of the ordered pairs, then you're pretty much done with the problem, right? So let's determine the slope, and slope is m, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? So let's write our ordered pairs, minus 4 comma 2. As I said, it doesn't matter which order you put them, just don't mix the values. So this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So that means slope is negative 4 minus 2 over 4 minus of minus 4, and this is why I recommend you use brackets, especially when you're dealing with negatives. So it's negative 6 over 8, and that's negative 2 times 3, 2 times 4, negative 3 over 4. So right away, look for equations that has a slope of negative 3 over 4. If it doesn't have this as a slope, then most likely that is an incorrect choice. So this is incorrect, this is incorrect. So only one of these two are correct, because these only have a negative slope of 3 over 4, right? Now, this particular problem is unique because, as I said, now we have y minus y1 equals m, which is negative 3 over 4 x minus x1, right? You can either substitute negative 4 comma 2 or 4 comma minus 4. Chances are only one of these will make the answer, okay? Because they didn't say pick all that applies, right? They didn't say that. So let's substitute this to be our y1, this to be our x1. So let's substitute this into this expression, which would transform this expression as y minus 2 equals negative 3 over 4 x plus 4. This is one equation. The second equation is we substitute this into this expression. So that is, this is your x1, this is your y1. So that is y plus 4 equals negative 3 over 4, and x minus 4. Both of these are correct, but the chances are only one of these would make the answer choice. Clearly, while this part of it looks right, this part, if it had 4, it would have been a correct choice. So that's incorrect. This is correct because this is an exact match. Y minus 2 equals negative 3 over 4 times x plus 4. So that is the correct answer. Which of the following is equation of the line in the slope intercept form? Well, we already know y equal, well, the slope, see, let's go back. The point slope form is different from slope intercept form. The slope intercept form is the generic y equals mx plus c. We know our m is negative 3 over 4, so you don't have to calculate that all over again. So let's pick one of the ordered pairs. So negative 4 comma 2, and you can use one of these, okay, to determine the value of c first, okay, because you see there's an intercept in all of them. So this is your x, this is your y. So that means we substitute these into this expression. So y is 2 equals minus 3 over 4 times negative 4 plus c. This cancels as, this whole thing becomes plus 3. So c equals negative 1. So look for equations with the negative intercepts. Only these two are possible. These two are incorrect, right? Now let's rewrite this expression as y equals mx minus 1, right? So now let's substitute anyone. I mean, you don't have to substitute. They just want you to just write it in the slope intercept form. So it will be just negative 3 over 4x minus 1. See which one matches this choice, and that's this one. So that is the correct answer. This is correct. Actually, we could have eliminated even before we even worked it out, but I wanted to show you how it's done because this has a negative slope of 4 over 3. We want 3 over 4, so that's incorrect as well. Which of the following is the equation of the line? Well, what did we determine previously? We said y equals negative 3 over 4 x minus 1, right? Now, if you multiply by 4 throughout, well, 4y equals negative 3x minus 4, right? Now bring the x to this side, so 4y plus 3x equals negative 4, and I believe that is the correct answer. Okay, in 2005, 120 students had smartphones, okay? And in 2010, 345 students had cell phones. What's the average increase in the number of smartphones? There's two ways you can do. You have to add however many phones here to go to 345, right? So that means excluding 2005, how many years are there? 2006, 7, 8, 9, and 10, right? So that's 5. So there's two ways to do. 120 plus 5 times x equals 345. So what do you have to substitute for x? So that's essentially 345 minus 120 over 5. That's equal to x, right? That's 45. That's one way to do it, okay? Or you can just use the slope form, which is 345 minus 120 over 2010 minus 2005, which is still same as the 5-year period. So that'll also give you 45. So this is method 1. This is method 2. Method 1 uses an algebraic expression, then it goes to the slope form, whereas methods 2 directly takes the just the slope form, okay? Which of the following is the equation of the line that passes through the points 4, -1, and has a slope? So all you have to do is write the slope intercept form, which is y equals mx plus c, right? So we know our slope is -2, right? And our x is 4. Let me actually draw a boundary so we know that this is a newer problem. So this is our x, this is our y, right? So y is -1, x is 4 plus c. So -1 equals -8 plus c. So c equals 7. So intercept is 7. So right away we know it's d, but let's actually finish it up. So y equals, let's do this. This is through, okay. So y equals -2x plus 7, or y plus 2x equals 7. So I just substituted all of these back into this expression for c, and that's how I got this. Even if you didn't want to do it, you still know our intercept is 7. So that's the only choice that matches that, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you with another video on functions and linear equations. So please continue to watch. Thank you.